Things I had him look for was birthmark. Does she have a birthmark on her face?
That came from your dad's side of the family. Your cousin.
Get little hiccups.
You see where Daddy fed her and got formula all over her.
Huh?
So they may show up later in like their head or their hand. Sometimes it's very light, strawberry marks. Sarah had a birthmark that was here on her face that had to be removed.
Still got the hiccups. Said Mommy looks rough still. Oh, big yawn. What is it, honey? I will feed you as soon as you don't hiccup.